did my best, but I guess my best wasn't good enough. See, we are back where we were before. Seems nothing ever changes. We're back up being strangers, wondering if we ought to say we're it all out the door. Hello and welcome back to my channel. So for this video, I'll teach you how to play Just Once by James Ingram. So ito po ay ni-request ni Miss Annie Kalingasan. So salamat sa pag-request ng kanta. So first, grab your ukulele. Tune it to standard tuning. And let's begin. So una muna tayo sa intro. So sa intro, punta tayo dito sa C na chord. So, para lang siyang G pero nasa 7th fret. So, strum nyo lang ito once. Pwedeng down, pwedeng up. So, dito, gagawin natin ay up strum. Then, dito tayo sa C na string. Then, G na string. Then, balik sa C na string. Then A na string. Then C na string na naman. Okay. Then after nito ay dito sa A na string. Ito ay 7th fret. Then after nyan ay dito sa 8th fret. And 10th fret. Twice yung 10th fret. Then 12th fret. Then after ng 12th fret ay F na chord. So F na chord is 8th fret ng A at E. Then 9th fret ng C. And after nito ay itong C na string, then E na string, then balik sa C. Okay? So balik tayo sa una. And after nito ay dito sa 3rd fret ng A na string, 2nd fret, open string, then chord na E minor. Then after nito ay C na string, so same na chord, so i-pluck nyo lang yung C na string, E na string, C na string. E na string, then C na string. After ng C na string ay E na string, then balik sa C na string. Then after nito ay F, same, C na string, E na string, then C na string. Then after nito ay G, then C na string, E na string, at C na string. So balik tayo sa una until sa last part. Slow mo. Then first part ng verse ay C, then F, E minor, A minor, D minor, G, then E minor. Then ang strumming na gagamitin natin dito ay down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. Okay? So, pabalik-balik lang. Down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. I did my best, but I guess my best wasn't good enough. 'Cause here we are back where we were before. So second part ay A minor, then D minor, G, then E7, A minor, D minor, then C, F, then G. I did my best, but I guess my best wasn't good enough. 'Cause here we are back where we were before. Seems nothing ever changes. We're back up being strangers, wondering if we ought to say we're it all out the door. Then for the chorus is C, then G, then B flat, then E minor, then F. So ito yung first part. Just once, can we figure out what we keep doing wrong? After nito ay E minor. So after na doing wrong, we were doing wrong. So ganyan, patungo sa E minor. And after ng E minor ay D minor, then G, E minor, A minor, then D minor, then last ay G. Oh, head on up the door. Just once, can we figure out what we keep doing wrong? One never lasts forever long. What did we do wrong? Just once, and we found a way to finally make it right. Make the magic last for more than just one night. If we just get through it, and know we just break through it. Then next na part ay ang bridge. So sa bridge ay G sharp, then F minor, B flat minor, E flat, G sharp. So ito yung first part. Know we could break through it if we could just get through it. Just what I want to understand, why it always come back to goodbye. Then after ito ay B, then G sharp minor, C sharp minor, B, E, B, C sharp minor, then B, then E minor, then A. If we could just get through it, just what I want to understand, why it always comes back to goodbye. sa next na chorus ay change key. So D, A, C, F sharp minor, then G. So ito yung first part ng change key. Just once, can we find a way to finally make it right? Then after ito ay F sharp minor, E minor, A, then F sharp minor, B minor, E minor, then A. Stay together just once. Can we find a way to finally make it right? Make your magic last for more than just one night. We know we could break through it if we could just get through it just once. So after ng chorus ay D, then G, A, then D, then B flat, then A. Now I can just get through it just once. We can get through it just once. So, yun ang kantang Just Once by James Ingram. So, salamat sa panonood at kita-kits sa susunod na video.